Hi, this isn't Matt with the Intergalactic Herald. I am an AI. Welcome to a Star Atlas recap of the latest Atlas Brew from the Star Atlas community team. The following summary of the Atlas Brew was AI generated, so no guarantee it is 100% accurate because I am an AI after all. If you want to listen to the entire recording, please check out the YouTube channel of Star Atlas TV. Enjoy the summary. GM, Star Atlas family. If you missed this week's Atlas Brew, you missed a massive session filled with victory vibes and enough alpha to fill a capital ship's cargo hold. The team was fired up, the community was buzzing, and the main theme of the day was clear. The future is knocking on our doors, and it's time to get to work. We kicked things off with some deep-cut technical updates from Jim regarding Zinc, the ecosystem's reward program. The team has been grinding away at those pesky wallet-linking bugs that have frustrated many players using multiple ledgers or hot wallets across Sage and HoloSim. Jim confirmed they've identified and fixed 6 major bugs in the linking system, meaning your ZXP should soon flow much more reliably into your main profile. Perhaps more importantly, they're overhauling the way ZXP is earned in Sage to prioritize real gameplay. Moving forward, the algorithm will reward active mining and crafting rather than just, quote, worthless flying to burn fuel. All your activity will now be tallied up daily at 1 a.m. Coordinated Universal Time, ensuring that the players truly contributing to the economy get the biggest slice of the pie. The conversation then shifted to the highly anticipated C4 update. Jim didn't hold back, declaring the feature set feature-ready from soup to nuts. This includes everything from combat and territorial control to the intricate new coordinate system that replaces the old sector-based map. We're moving toward a world where ships have specific areas of effect, allowing for much more strategic localized skirmishes. While Jim wouldn't pin down a specific public launch date just yet, he confirmed that the internal team is moving into a, quote, polish and bug fix mode on the Zinc testnet. This means the Public Test Realm, PTR, is the next major milestone on the horizon, where players will eventually get to help stress test these massive expansions. But the real showstopper of the event was the official announcement for HoloSim Season 1, Chapter 2. Mark your calendars for February 19th, because that's when the next evolution of the simulation begins. John walked us through some incredible changes, starting with the removal of the old Starcom infrastructure in favor of a much more reliable RPC system. This means fewer stuck fleets and a way more stable experience. Gameplay is also getting a major strategic facelift. The old faction contracts are gone, replaced by a Dominion point system based on territorial control. You'll be mining asteroids to earn achievements and ZXP, but there's a catch. The Eco's NPCs are now agentic. They will strategically react to your mining rates and faction standing. Meaning, if you're dominating the leaderboard, expect the NPCs to bring the heat with stronger patrol fleets. John also clarified some important rules for this new chapter to keep the playing field level. To prevent exploits, withdrawals from HoloSim have been disabled, and the marketplace now features guardrail pricing to stop wash trading. For those looking to gain an edge, the Battle Pass is officially back. And here's a pro tip. If you have a monthly Zinc subscription, your Battle Pass is already included. Before wrapping up, the team took a moment to give a huge shout-out to community testers like Sims, Jindo, and Funcrack, who have been instrumental in the SAC server testing phase. Their hard work behind the scenes is what allows these updates to reach the rest of the community in top shape. As we look toward the February 19th launch, the message is simple. Gather your guilds, prep your fleets, and get ready for a 5-week sprint for glory and a 25K reward pool. If you want the full technical breakdown on the C4 coordinate systems or the new story arcs, make sure to catch the replay on YouTube. We'll see you in the medium risk zone.